Meghan Markle and Harry in court, Elizabeth II involved in the debacle despite herself. This April 24 opens the trial of Meghan Markle and Harry against the Associated Newspapers Group. On this first day, the defense of the Sussex could reveal data hitherto kept confidential on their public financing, something to splash Queen Elizabeth II and the whole family. Meghan Markle and Harry go to war against the tabloids. This April 24 begins their trial against the Associated Newspapers Group, publisher of the Daily Mail and Mail on Sunday. Confinement requires the preliminary hearing will be held virtually. Defense strategy on this first day of proceedings, contesting the tabloids' description of the immense wealth and immense privileges of the Duchess, a choice that could have great repercussions on all members of the Crown, starting with the Queen. Indeed, the Sussexes may have to distribute documents relating to their funding by the taxpayer recourse. The Telegraph. For the first time, exclusive details may be revealed, such as their security costs, data that the monarchy has never made public, but which prove essential to explain the extent of the money received by the young parents. The renovation of Frogmore Cottage or the cost of their wedding could also be mentioned, something to embarrass Windsor. The question of taxpayer funding for the royal family remains a thorny one, and the recent departure of Meghan and Harry has brought it to the fore. The Sussexes have chosen financial independence in order to no longer justify the public interest they arouse. By sharing such data, they may well embarrass the rest of the family. Meghan Markle and Harry ready for all the revelations. Meghan Markle seems ready for all revelations to win a lawsuit from which she will not derive any pecuniary profit. Already she has chosen to use private text messages sent to her father to support her defense. It was because of the publication of a letter written to her father before a marriage that little Archie's mother had decided to take legal action. Today, if the couple decided to leave England, it is to protect their privacy. They now want to make it clear to the tabloids that they are no longer welcome. On April 19, Meghan and Harry accused 4 media companies of having relayed false information. They will now refuse to work with them. Between the press and the Sussexes, the gap is widened.